So hello guys, in this video I will showcase Blizzard, but before showcasing I need to master it. So let's see what we so I need to eat it upon gravity. It is bad, but still I want to try every fruit, but on different occasions. So every time I unlock a new attack I will show. So the first attack is a shuriken. Just 5 or 8 shurikens. So let's get on the grinding. So we have unlocked our first attack, which is tornado slide. Wait, I need to make the screen bigger. Now you can fly with this, and it also does damage. Yeah, I can fly in the air also. It will make the grinding easier. So guys, I got the other skill. So let's see what it is. Tornado. These are stars. This is tornado, and this is also tornado. Okay, this is but one of them is like ice fruit. I think the first attack. Okay, let's grind for the next attacks. So guys, let's get the next skill, which is howling wind. And let's see. Oh, it's another tornado. Why are all moves tornado? Let's try again. If it works properly. Okay, it is just clouds and tornado. Okay. Not so close. Okay, I need to grind more. So guys, I forgot to do the last move because I accidentally cut the video. So this is the last move. I will join this part after the video. This part ends. So this is the last domain extension. A Blizzard domain. Let's try. Wait, I need to go in the. So I am in the ocean, so let's see. Some clouds and a large tsunami. Then slowly and slowly. So this is it for the video. So bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. And